In this video, we will show you how to quickly and easily create a functional to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. Just write a code for to-do list website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT generating complete HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Now copy HTML code and paste it in index.html page. Next copy CSS code and paste it in style.css page. Finally copy JavaScript code and paste it in script.js page. This code creates a simple to-do list website that allows the user to add tasks to a list by entering text into an input field and clicking the Add button. The tasks are added as list items to an unordered list.